I'm Dave Selecki. I'm the Power Sports Product Line Manager here at Wiseco Performance Products. We're here to introduce the new Wiseco Garage Buddy Engine Rebuild Kit. Included with this kit, very important, a 90-day extended warranty, which is over and above our standard warranty, which is 90 days or 10 hours, whichever comes first. You're going to want to read that and thoroughly understand it. Also, a Garage Buddy hour meter decal, very special decal which identifies your engine rebuild as a Garage Buddy. Also, a complete top-end gasket kit, which includes every O-ring and seal that you need, including the gaskets, and on the back is a complete bill of materials that shows everything that you receive. And also a complete bottom-end gasket kit, which also includes every O-ring and seal. And on the back you'll see the bill, which includes everything you need to rebuild that bottom end. Included with our 4-stroke kit will be a cam chain in this box here. High quality M-style links, so much stronger than a stock cam chain, included with every 4-stroke kit. Next will be the Wiseco hour meter and hour meter bracket. Now these are important for your warranty. You're going to want to install that when you do your rebuild so that we can track the hours, and install also the Garage Buddy hour meter decal so we can identify it as a Garage Buddy rebuild kit. Next item will be a high quality, high performance Wiseco complete crankshaft assembly. Now this includes everything in the crank assembly, including the connecting rod, big end bearing, and washers. This is manufactured to our design specifications, very exacting, very true, very high quality components and materials. Included with every 2-stroke Garage Buddy rebuild kit would be the small end bearing. Now it's a very important component, and we include it in every 2-stroke rebuild kit. Also included with our kit are high quality OEM level main bearings. Now these main bearings are also made to very high quality OEM specifications. Same as our crankshaft. You'll see you'll have both main bearings, both your mag side and your PTO side. Included with every kit is a high performance forged Wiseco piston kit. Now each piston kit comes complete with ring, wrist pin, and circlips. So your rebuild is complete. It's everything you need in one box.